Hi all, welcome to Programming Corner. Today I'm going to discuss about view groups in Android development. Already we learned what is views in a app. Please check my video Android view. We will get the idea about views. If you want to add more than one view, we should write it inside a view group. For that we use view group. First of all, start an Android new project. Give the name and click finish. Let's start it. It's finished now. Here we are writing linear layout. Here linear layout is the view group and it will arrange its children in a vertical column and also in horizontal row. You can place each child view relative to another child view. Okay, I will write the linear layout and the hello word went up. I write three child views, that is three text views inside the linear layout. Just change the text. Just change its height width, giving DP values. Then it will take the this much of height and width. You check it. this has height and width, but it's not good for in a device. It will split in a different manner. So we will find out the solution for this. It will take the positions in all device in a same manner. So next one is wrap content. I changed the second one. So the second one take the height and width of the test inside it. So three of them I changed to wrap content. Next we will check match parent. From this example you will get the complete idea about giving DP pixels and wrap content and match parent. As I changed to match parent, so it took the height and width of the device. So it will hide the other two tests. It's also hiding. Only when giving only the width, then it will take the width of that device, not not the height. So it will display the other test also. I'm changing to wrap content. Last one also changing to match parent and wrap content. Next one we are going to another child view, image view. Giving match parent and match parent. So it will take the remaining height and width, giving the source. You can find the source in resource folder. Inside resource drawable folder, you can find the source. I already copy the image and paste it there. Now the image view is also added. So three test view childs and one image view child inside the linear layout view group. Next, we are going to check the contents of the apps difference in different size screens. So Android provide a attribute layout weight. So we can arrange the test views evenly across the height of that device. For that purpose, we are using linear layout weight, one of the attribute. So uh, it will distribute the test based on the height of the device. So we will check how it will possible. Just write some test. Today is my birthday. I'm checking it with DP, wrap content and match parent. deleted the other views. So we take the height and width 200 dB. So it will distribute the test in that particular size. So if you are using different devices and all, it will distribute it. If you are using small screen, we will not get the full test. Here I write it as wrap content. So it will take the size and height of the content inside it. So in some devices, if the sentence is too long, we can't read. If we are giving DP and wrap content and match parent, so it will split somewhere and like that. So for that, we are using the attribute layout weight. Next one is match parent. We took the complete width of the device. So it will take the complete height of the device. So it will hide the image view. So it also not possible. So we are giving the layout weight attribute for this problem. That we'll discuss in the next video completely about the layout weight. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you all of you for watching.